What's up, everybody? It's your man Big Vic here, and today we're gonna watch another Gus Johnson's videos called Mitchell Robbins Microwave Soup. And so right now, if you haven't seen the video where Gus is Christmas, because he keeps like smashing things that he doesn't like Christmas. You know, he doesn't like. He have a very bad day. You know, he doesn't like T-shirts. You know, or he wants. He wants the PS4 that maybe I think it's his brother. Yeah, I think it's his third brother. Right now, when he took the when he got a PS4 for Christmas. So, anyways, this is actually gonna it's a Mitchell Robbins microwave soup video. So, without further ado, let's watch the video.
Hello, my name is Mitchell Robbins. I'm 23 years old, and I'm trying to microwave my soup, and I can't do it. It's very hard, and the microwave is very frightening, and I just don't know why, but my family keeps calling me names and putting me down and saying I can't do it. My whole family says they can't do it, and then they hate me for it.
Yeah, I didn't say that.
Microwaves are spooky, scary, and frightening, perfect trifecta of fear, and I don't understand why anyone would have them in their house, plus they're very difficult to use, and I don't know how to figure it out, and I don't know how anybody uses them, and I just want to microwave my soup.
Mitchell, you want to go get the soup?
I don't want to get the soup, okay? I can't use the microwave. I can't figure it out. It's too complicated.
Hey, Mitchell, we'll just start by...
You can't just start the
We'll
microwave.
put it
There's
in
too
the
many buttons, and I don't know how to figure it out.
We won't start the microwave. We'll just start...
Hello, 911. I can't start the damn microwave.
Are you ready to act like an adult?
I am an
Call
adult.
the cops.
I'm 23 years old. My name's Mitchell Robbins. Can you give me a ride home?
Mitchell!
Why do I even ask? I have to at least try. The gloves are coming out.
Did you get those gloves?
Why would you like to know?
Mitchell, you got the soup?
Yeah, I got the soup, okay?
A
Oh,
mushroom, that's disgusting.
I didn't realize I just had to microwave the soup because what am I going to start it at? So the gloves are coming
Mitchell,
out.
where are you getting these gloves?
Oh, I forgot to vote.
Mitchell, you gotta take the soup out of the can first. Mitchell, what are you trying to do?
what the?
Mitchell, you gotta put the soup in the bowl.
Open the
first.
door.
The microwave is fine where it's at. Just...
Yo, what?
Mitchell, oh my god. Mitchell, come back. We'll try this again.
I'm doing one more
What?
time.
How did you... Mitchell, the soup isn't in the microwave. It's on the counter still. Mitchell!
Are they still making new episodes of Fairly Odd Parents?
Mitchell, where did you get the... Oh!
You got it.
Soup's done.
Is that your microwave?
Nope, it's my boat.
It's like a horn.
Wake up, sheeple. Should we erase this?
No, I wouldn't.
Subscribe for more soup. Wow. So, guys, that was really funny when he threw that cream and mushroom soup through the can. He thinks that he's like damaged or something. You're disgusting. Man, it's. I know it's really funny. I know that what I'm saying. How did he get into that? It looks like a basement door in the kitchen. I mean, disgusting. Anyways, why? Okay, I'm keep thinking about you know, the Gus Johnson's you know, the Christmas one. That was really hilarious. So guys, but anyways, if you wanna see the Mitchell Robbins microwave soup, I'll put the link in the description below. And subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. So that's it. I mean, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.